Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
3 days. Make all of it ahead of time, then let the mulled wine cool at room temperature, transfer it to an airtight container, and store it in the fridge. It will keep well there for up to 3 days. When you're ready to serve the mulled wine, just pour it back into a large saucepan and rewarm over medium-low heat.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
3 days. To store, let your slow cooker mulled wine cool completely, then pour it into an airtight storage container and place in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. To reheat, gently rewarm mulled wine in a large pot on the stovetop over low heat, or pour leftovers into your slow cooker and reheat on low until warm.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Though unopened wine has a longer shelf life than opened wine, it can go bad. Unopened wine can be consumed past its printed expiration date if it smells and tastes okay. Fine wine, 10 to 20 years, stored properly in a wine cellar.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Can old wine make you sick? No, not really. There's nothing too horrific lurking in poorly aged wine that would have you running to the emergency room. However, the liquid that could come out of that bottle may make you feel sick from the color and smell alone.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.